Say good morning, boat. Good morning po. Say good morning, vlog. Wow. Kobe. Kobe's vlog. Ay, Kobe's vlog. Good morning. Day 2 of our Hong Kong trip. And malapit na mag-birthday si Dada. Kakagising lang namin, 7 a.m., 7:30. Tapos, magsiswimming na agad. Medyo mukhang umulan. Makulimlim dun, no? Parang umuulan dun na gabi. Punta kami Ocean Park ngayong umaga. Tapos mamayang gabi magkikita kami nila Kaloy, nila Ninong Kaloy at Ninong Arjun and Ate Vanna. Dala natin yung pinabili nila sa Mercury. Are you excited to see the fish? Are you excited to see the shark?
Yes.
Are you excited to see the octopus?
Yes.
Are you excited to see the dolphin?
Yes.
Wow! What do you like? Fish or shark?
Fish.
Fish?
Yes.
Not shark?
Shark.
Ah, you like the shark? Ah, you like the baby shark?
Yes.
Okay. So where are we going today? Are we going to Ocean Park? Are we going to Ocean Park?
Yeah.
Yes. And will you see Ate Vanna?
Yes.
Oh, do you miss Ate Vanna?
Yes.
Oh, do you remember Ate Vanna?
Yes.
Oh, okay. We're ready to go to brunch. Breakfast, hindi brunch. Saan si Binawan? Let's go.
Dada.
Hi, Tita Maji. So, nagkikwentuhan lang kami. So, ang sabi, kikwento ko kay Tita Maji na kahapon habang nagche-check-in ako, may kausap ako, bait, lalaki. Tapos, English ako ng English. Tapos, yun pala, Tagalog, Pinoy, Cebuano. Kasi yung pangalan niya, Leif. L-E-I-F. Tapos, mukhang Pinoy. Unang tingin na namin, alam kong Pinoy na siya, pero hindi ako sure. Kasi yung pangalan niya parang Thai. Tapos, nung nag-English na kami, tapos sabi niya, ano? Parang gumano siya na. So, sabi ko, Filipino? Oh, sir. Tawanan kami. Tagalog na lang, mas mabilis. Tapos tawa kami ng tawa. Ayun, ang bait niya. Tita Maji, hi ka kay Tita Maji. Hi, Tita Maji. Hi, Tita Maji. Tita Maji, oh. Oh. Kamukha kayo ni Tita Maji? Kamukha kayo? Ha? Kamukha daw kayo? Ay, move daw. Solid. Kayod 24, parang Kobe. Kobe! Are you ready to go to Ocean Park? Okay. Okay. We're going to Ocean Park.
Left hand side.
We're at Ocean Park na tayo. Kobe! Where's the Ocean Park, Cobes? Akyat tayo dyan sa escalator. Tapos nandun yung entrance. Say hi, Kobe. Can you say hi? Kobe, oh. Where's the crocodile? Dito, Mi.
Kita na dito?
Or something.
Ay, distribute mo yung ticket kay John.
Kobe, look at the octopus, oh. Where's the octopus? We're at Ocean Park. Punta na kami kagad sa aquarium para ang init kasi, oh, bilad sa araw. Kaya punta na kami kagad sa aquarium para covered na. Init, open space siya. Kobe, baby shark!
I saw many baby shark. So many baby shark. Wow.
Is that baby shark? Say hi, baby shark. Is that grandpa shark? Yes? Say hi. Hi, Stingray. Wow. Tuwang-tuwa. Si baby shark yung sumalubong.
Wow, baby shark.
Baby shark.
Baby shark.
Wow.
Sabi? Kobe, look here. Hindi kami okay lang si Kobe baka ano.
Hi, Kobe. Oh, you're driving? Drive? Oh, are you driving there? Is that your boat? Is that Mama Shark?
Or try mo mag-picture kayo. Go! Hindi, yan na may game.
Say hi, fish.
Hi, fish! Hi, fish!
Is that the fish?
Toby, do you like it? Are you happy?
Okay, more fish, baby. Ayan,
Ay, wow!
Wow, happy! Happy sa ito buko.
Hi, fish. Can you count the fish?
Toby, can you take a picture with the fish?
Okay.
Can you pakyut here, anak?
Baby shark!
Toby, pakyut ka here with the fish. Come on.
Do you like the
Wow,
fish?
Nice fish, oh. Toby, oh, what color is the fish? What color? Toby. Ayaw, excited. It's 1, 2, Kobe. 1, 2, smile.
Is that the stingray? Oh.
Wow, hi, oh. Hi, Stingray. Look. Kobe. You want to go inside? Kobe, little fish. Kobe, what's that?
Wala naman eh.
Kobe, seahorse. That's what seahorse looks like in person. Have you seen the seahorse? Yes. You like seahorse? You like seahorse? You see? Hindi ah.
Ang laki na isda.
Baby shark. Bumilo ko sila baby shark.
Baby. You like that?
Why do you want that? Do you like that? Baby shark too.
Kobe, look up! Kobe, look up! Oh, Kobe shark!
That. Fish.
That's the
Wow, stingray.
That's the bangus, baby. Oh.
Wait, did you see the shark? Did you see the shark? Yes. Look up. Look up.
Go.
Oh, call mo si Shark. Call mo si Shark.
Wow.
Shark? Call mo si Shark.
That's the grandpa shark.
Where's... Hindi na gumagalaw. Oh, look, the stingray, Kobe. Oh, look at the stingray. Oh, up. Kobe there. Oh, stingray. Is that baby shark? Oh, picture tayo, picture. You want there? You want there? You want kay baby shark? Yan. Oh, yun na si baby shark.
Picture tayo dito.
And again? Where? Again? Again, Kobe.
Kobe.
Again, where's mommy shark?
What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Yay!
Ay, there's the shark. Kobe there. There's a shark. There's a shark. Oh, where?
Nice. Yeah, big fish.
Want to put it there? Oh, give it to Dada. Give it to Dada. Hello. Give it to Dada. Oh, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Kobe, what do you want? What do you want? Oh, get ka. Kobe, what do you want?
Want small shark? Huh? You like small shark na? What do you like? Nemo? You like baby shark na? You like shark? Wow! Bibitawan niya na. Ayaw niya na. Who's that, Joby?
Binitawan.
Oh. Who's that, Joby? Who's that? Is that baby shark? Who's that? Here, this one, oh. Look, oh. There. Oh, you like baby shark, this one? You like daddy shark? Okay. Di ba kinagat ni daddy shark? Oh, you want daddy shark? Yes. Show the camera si Shark. Oh, sabay kiss, sabay kiss. Look, bite ni Shark.
Ala!
Bite ni Shark. Say no, no, Shark. Oh, say no, no. Say no, no. Bye, Shark. Say no, no, Shark. Mommy Shark. Ah, kiss mo si Mommy Shark. Ay, wow. He loves you.
You want this, baby? Buy this one? Like this? Yes?
You like this shark? You like? Buy natin, ha? No? What do you like?
Ano si baby shark? Nasaan siya?
What do you like? Shark or penguin? Hmm?
Dolphin.
Where's the dolphin? Oh, there's an octopus. Oh.
Baby, oh. What's this?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Who's this? Who's this?
Who's that?
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Oh, penguin. Oh, tinanggal na si penguin. Gusto na si baby shark.
You want baby shark? Ito na ito. Ganito ba talaga yun?
What do you want? What do you want? Baby shark or daddy shark? No? Octopus?
Kobe, what's that?
Octopus.
Hug octopus mo. Hug si octopus. Hug si octopus. What? Penguin? Yes. Penguin? Oh, this is penguin. Hi, penguin and octopus. Ay, kiss. Kiss si octopus and penguin. Kiss.
Wala.
Ay, hug dalawa. O, show mo kay Dada. Dado. Oh.
You want that, baby?
Ang sarap. Oh, mama daw, mama. Oh. Wow.
Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye to octopus and penguin. Wow! Okay, bye-bye.
Hinag lang niya.
Hinaglang.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye, octopus and penguin. And bye-bye, shark ka. Bye, shark. Bye, whale. Bye, whale. Offline. Oh, it's an egg? Oh, that's an egg. Bird. Can you count the birds? Hi, kay Panda. Is that a monkey and panda? Oh. Say hi. Hi. Butterfly. Wow.
Hindi siya
Ito, ano to?
aircon.
Ano to? May show ata to.
Kobe, turtle, oh.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Cookie, ano yan? Ayan yan, no? Ano yan? Ocean Fast Track. Ano yung ocean?
Ay, dito kayo sa...
Oh,
Ay, pwede stroller.
sa loob ng aquarium. See the shark. Hug daddy. Oh, hug daddy, hug. No, what? Is that a train? Yes. A ship? That's a ship. Oh, okay. That's a ship. Ship daw sabi niya. Sakay kami ng train. Tapos, kala namin ride. Yun pala, fast track nga. So, parang transportation siya papunta sa taas. Ito. Dito kami.
I've been undercover, looking for another, acting like you're good, but you never do recover. I don't got no baggage. Petty shots out of your own, letting them down, what you doing, I can't so fast.
May roller coaster pa sa dulo. Hahanap tayo ng kakainan kasi gutom na tayo. Wala pa kami makita ng kainan. So dito sa Ocean Park, yung mga restaurants yata nandun sa first part na sa may entrance. O tingnan nyo to, parang Rio Grande Rapids ng EK. So medyo parang EK dito. Mga theme park, mga rides. Tapos may ayan, roller coaster. So nasa taas pala tayo ng bundok. Pinakataas, pinakatuktok ng bundok, may theme park. Ganda. Maganda nga, kaso ang init, bilad na bilad ko sa araw. Bilad na bilad talaga, kaya sobrang init lang. Bagay dito, shorts lang, sando, mga knitted wears na ma-presko. Hindi ka pwede magmaong dito, magpants, long sleeves. Yeah, siguro pag winter, siguro pag December malamig, pwede. Kasi nasa bundok ka malamig. Pero bilad sa araw. You wanna eat na?
Menu yan.
Okay lang to.
Okay. Here's the water. Ay, tissue. Binubunas.
hindi masyadong trip ang food here sa Hong Kong. Parang you cannot possibly go wrong with croissant. Pero Shanghai na, carry by siya. Hindi masarap pastries nila. Andito sila pa eh. Pupunta sa claw machine. Wala.
So, sobrang init nga, no? Kaya, wala rin kami masyadong magawa dito. Pang bata, may mga rides, oo, pero hindi siya ganun kasaya pag mainit. Kasi nga, sakit sa balat. Tsaka nakaka-drain yung init. Maganda pumunta dito pag mga November, December, January, February. Yung malamig yung panahon. Bagay na bagay dito yan. Okay, yun.
Ready mo muna. Bago si Kobe. Hindi pa ready na. Tasha?
Magbubuk tayo.
Wow.
Oh, Kobe, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Ocean Park. Bye.
Park.
We're going back to the hotel. Say bye, Ocean Park.
Dada.